Now the air in Delhi and surrounding areas hung heavy with acrid smoke as people burst firecrackers on Diwali in a blatant disregard to the government's ban on it amid a sharp increase in fumes from farm fires. In some places in Delhi, the air pollution reading has reached maximum levels. Neighbouring cities of Faridabad, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon and Noida also recorded severe air quality, with cracker bursting peaking last night at around 9 p.m. Experts say the air quality turned severe on Diwali owing to unfavorable meteorological conditions, calm winds, low temperatures, low mixing height and a poisonous cocktail of emissions from firecrackers, stubble burning as well as local sources.
देखो 2 किलोमीटर का बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है। जैसे कि इस समय देखा जाए तो दिल्ली में बहुत ज़्यादा पॉल्यूशन है जिसके हमारे सिटी को हमारे पीपल वगैरह को हार्म पहुंच सकता है, तो इसमें तो मना कर देना चाहिए।
इट्स वेरी पोल्यूटेड सिटी, बहुत ज़्यादा बंदा है इधर, कोई बहुत ज़्यादा गाड़ी है, सब है ना, जो इसलिए इधर का पोल्यूशन ज़्यादा हो गई। ये कोरोना है ना, जो कोरोना आया तो हम लोग ये पहना, ओके, बिफोर कोरोना वी डोंट यूज दिस मास्क, बट इफ यू आर स्टेइंग इन दिल्ली यू हैव टू यूज दिस without, if there is no corona, if there is corona, whatever the condition is, for best na we have to wear the mask always. We cannot properly breathe. You can see the climate na, it's not fog, it's actually pollution, it's like a kind of a waste, carbon waste, something like that.
मुझे लगता है इंडिया में तो ये सबसे बड़ा इशू होना चाहिए पोल्यूशन, क्योंकि क्लाइमेट चेंज हो रहा है, हर तरफ हम देख रहे हैं। इस बार नेशनल लेवल पे कितनी बाढ़ आई, हर तरफ हमने देखा है, डिजास्टर कितना हो रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली हमें तो इस चीज़ों पे ध्यान देना ही चाहिए। और
All right, let's go across to Akshay now for more. And Akshay, once again, the morning after Diwali, extreme pollution being seen in Delhi and neighbouring areas. A number of factors leading to this, and also doctors, would advise people, especially those with respiratory issues, to not go outdoors today.
Well, exactly, Gargi. Like last year, we have seen that despite several measures by the Delhi government, by in fact the Delhi police, and repeated announcements that people should not burst firecrackers, and it was a ban in the national capital. But we all saw that yesterday how that ban went up in the smoke, and almost in most of the areas there were cracker burning happening, people bursting crackers, and it was an all-night affair. Yesterday, it was by midnight only the air quality slipped into severe category, and if we are talking about the latest figures, as far as PM 2.5 pollutants are concerned, then in Ashok Vihar, it is in severe category. So almost in all of the national capital, it is in severe category. In Ashok Vihar, it is at 459. The PM 2.5 level, the PM 10 levels are at 434. If we talk about the airport area, the IGI airport area, the PM 2.5 level is at 456. Now these are the PM 2.5 level we are talking about, and it is going to cause a lot of respiratory discomfort to people who are either recovering from COVID, lung infection, or people who already had asthma or other lung respiratory diseases like you mentioned. So it is going to be extremely difficult for these people. Now, yes, you have rightly mentioned that it is not alone crackers, but other issues as well, including the farm fires, which is picking up and is likely to pick up in the next couple of days as well. So remains to be seen that what exactly is being done. But if we talk about other areas as well, like the report, the PM 2.5 level is at 460 right now. If you talk about the North Campus, it is similar at 445. So the national capital as well as the surrounding areas are extremely polluted just the next morning after Diwali. And we saw that all the talks about cracker ban went up in smoke, and there has to be some response from either the Delhi government or the Delhi police that why, despite the ban, the implementation that we have been repeatedly saying that is the most important factor could not be done, Gargi.